Delve into the extraordinary journey of Himalayan pink salt. From the depths of Pakistani mines straight to your dining table. Join us as we uncover the mesmerizing process behind one of the world's most unique salts, on how it's manufactured. Himalayan pink salt, renowned for its 84 essential minerals, has become globally acclaimed for its health benefits and versatility. While commonly referred to as Himalayan salt, this unique pink salt actually originates from the Kiura salt mine in Pakistan, part of the Punjab region, not the Himalayan mountain range. This ancient salt has been a geological marvel for millions of years, ranking as the globe's second-largest salt mine. Its discovery dates back to 326 BC by Alexander the Great, whose horses were spotted licking the salt-rich rocks. Our exploration starts in the mines, where expert miners selectively extract high-quality salt rocks. The skill and geological knowledge applied in this phase are crucial as they determine the salt's purity, mineral content, and ultimately its taste and color. Transporting these precious rocks involves specialized trucks navigating the cavernous mining sites, with some locations utilizing a train truck system for efficiency. At the forefront of the Himalayan salt industry is Ittifaq Salt, known as one of the largest producers. This production powerhouse churns out significant quantities of pink salt every day, playing a pivotal role in satisfying the growing global demand. Here, the salt rocks are meticulously processed. First, they undergo a thorough washing and drying procedure to eliminate any impurities. Then, they're parched in a specialized chamber, ensuring the perfect moisture level for grinding. Transforming into the fine grains of table salt involves precise grinding and grading, with state-of-the-art machines ensuring consistency in size and quality. The production line's exclusivity is further enhanced by an advanced AI optical color sorter. This innovative tool meticulously removes any impurities and ensures unparalleled purity, thanks to its sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms. For packaging, the salt is sealed in high-quality, airtight containers, carefully selected to shield against moisture and contaminants. Bulk shipments are handled differently, utilizing robust polypropylene bags designed for durability and large volumes. The artistry of salt lamp creation begins with large rotating blades skillfully cutting the salt rocks. This intricate process demands expert precision and caution, given the immense power of the cutting equipment. The salt rocks are then further shaped by skilled craftsmen using specialized tools, crafting unique designs and textures. Each lamp undergoes a polishing phase to enhance its natural luster and aesthetic appeal. The final step involves embedding the lighting components and conducting a rigorous quality check to ensure functionality and safety. Packaged with utmost care, these Himalayan salt lamps are distributed through various channels, reaching retailers, wellness centers, and online platforms. From its ancient origins in the Kiura mines to the creation of exquisite products like salt lamps, Himalayan salt exemplifies a harmonious blend of traditional and modern craftsmanship. Its unique mineral composition not only makes it a health-conscious choice, but also a fascinating subject in the world of manufacturing. Stay tuned and subscribe to How It's Manufactured as we continue to explore the intricate processes behind various production lines, from raw material extraction to the creation of finished products. For more fascinating insights into cutting-edge production lines and inventive approaches to harvesting and food production, make sure to check out our next video right here.